Good morning, YouTube friends. My name is Kristen. I am an independent sales representative with Avon, and I thought I would show you some Espira smoothies. I thought that we could make this a series and do Shake It Up Wednesdays. So every Wednesday, I'm going to be uploading a video on a new shake. So when you order your Espira protein powder, you get the chocolate, vanilla. It is a $35 deal, which is great. It allows you to have different smoothies so that you don't get sick of your smoothie life. Guys, I'm trying out these fake bangs. We're gonna see how it goes. What do you guys think? Comment below, what do you think of these fake bangs? Kyle will not let me cut my bangs like this, so, but I just wanted to try it out. These are trendy right now. Anyways, back to our shakes. So today I want to do the chocolate powder, and when you open it, it looks like that. It comes with a scoop. This has 21 grams of protein, 120 calories. It's vegan, has no GMOs, and it is gluten-free and soy-free. So great for any allergies or if you're vegan, this is a good powder. It is plant-based, and it doesn't have any nuts in it either. So it doesn't have any peanuts, tree nuts, fish, anything like that. It is completely vegan and nut-free, so you are good on your allergies. But today, I wanted to make a strawberry chocolate peanut butter. Not allergic to nuts. Peanut butter in your chocolate smoothie is. Okay, so what I have in front of me is the powder, the peanut butter. I have some granola. I have a big bag of fruit. I got the mixed fruit because I wanted to do multiple different kinds of smoothies. And then today I'm going to use some Walmart brand almond milk. And then I'm just going to use my NutriBullet. Love my NutriBullet. So what I did yesterday is I put some of the strawberries from that fruit mix in a bag, and I'm just gonna put all the strawberries in here. Now I want to do about a spoonful of peanut butter. My allergies are so bad this morning, so please excuse my sniffling. So we got the peanut butter. Wilbur wants to lick the spoon. Wanna lick the spoon, Bubba? There you go, boo-boo. So after we add the peanut butter, I'm going to add some almond milk. I do about this much, and I'm just eyeballing it, no measuring for me. And then I'm going to take my, this is maple pecan granola, Berry Meg, and I like this flavor. I'm getting this everywhere. That's okay. I really like the flavor that the granola adds to a smoothie. Recommend granola. Okay, Espira powder, and you want to do 1 full scoop. What I like about this powder is that it is really sweet and it's not chalky if you add milk or juice. If attachment, oh wait, guys, I have this thing on it. I'm an idiot. This might be a fail. You put this on after. Don't put this on before. There we go. Now we're gonna put the top on. And then I'm gonna take it over there. Blend this baby up. Or just add a little more milk. He needs some milk. It smells really good. You could also add bananas to this. That would be really good. Okay, so once it is all blended, I stir it up. It's so good. Now I'm gonna put this on. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a pink bendy straw. This one's better than my yesterday one. This would be really good with bananas. Well, that completes this Shake It Up Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for joining me, and have a wonderful rest of your week.